हेलो एवरीवन। सो वी आर हियर विद द न्यू वीडियो फॉर यू गाइस। और ये जो है ये एक पहले बनाए हुए वीडियो का सेकंड पार्ट है। ये चैप्टर है टीचर्स इंटरेस्ट टेस्ट और इसके 18 क्वेश्चंस हम पहले कर चुके हैं और हम 19th क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे। So, modern teachers feel that a child's acceptance as a member of a group sponsored by the school in or out of the classroom A is a legal right that cannot be denied him in a public school, should be unquestioned if he is to make his best contribution, should be made conditional upon his being worthy member of the group from the standpoint of standards of conduct. D should be made conditional upon his contributing and achieving in accordance with his abilities. Answer is B. Question number 20. In the study of group climate by Levin et al., the all-round growth of the children involved was found to be promoted by. कहने का मतलब है कि all round growth of a children किस environment में सबसे बेटर होती है, इज प्रमोटेड बाय ऑटोक्रेटिक कंट्रोल, डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रोल, लेज़र-फेयर, एटमॉस्फेयर, अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल द अबव. आंसर वुड बी बी, डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रोल. Question 21. When the autocratic teacher leaves the classroom unattended, the students are likely to become confused as to what to do, to continue work as with the teacher in the classroom, or to work harder than with the teacher in the classroom, or to resort to scapegoating and other forms of aggression. अब कोई स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर जब क्लास में नहीं आता तो बच्चे क्या करते हैं, हो हल्ला करते हैं. आंसर वुड बी डी. 22nd. इससे पहले मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रही थी, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि बीएड, बीए बीएड, बीएससी बीएड के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी ये प्रिपरेशन काम आएगी. हम टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड और एटीट्यूड की प्रिपरेशन करा रहे हैं. सो आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने किसी फ्रेंड को जो इस प्रकार की कोई तैयारी कर रहा है उनको भी शेयर करके उनकी हेल्प कीजिए. तो चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 पर चलते हैं. Experiments in democratic classroom management indicate that democracy is an inherent way of life. B. Children require training and guidance in the democratic procedure. C. Such practices result in markedly superior learning, or such practices, while theoretically sound, invariably and in confusion and insecurity on the part of the student. Answer would be B. A democracy needs training and guidance. We all know that democracy can be misleading if it is not trained, if the person is not trained or guided for the democracy. 23. Probably the greatest reason for the effectiveness of the democratic classroom atmosphere is that A. It put individual member on the spot to perform his best for the good of the group. B. It harmonizes with the favorable attitudes the student has already developed with respect to the democracy. C. It permits mutual support and reinforcement. Or D. It enables the learner to relate class activities to his particular motives and purposes. Answer is D. Learner, जो सीखने वाला स्टूडेंट है, he can relate his motives and purposes with that activity which is being performed in the classroom. 24th question. While the group situation is also conducive to effective learning, its major contribution to the goals and objectives of the school lies in the area of the development of social skills on the part of pupils. B. The clarification of the goals of the society. C. Training in democratic social living. D. The development of leaders and followers. Answer will be C. Training in democratic social living. Which of the following would best illustrate the democratic type of leader control? A. Complete non-participation of the leader. Complete group freedom in decision making. complete determination of policy and plans by the leader, or D, group discussion and decision of policy encouraged and assigned by the leader? Answer would be D. 26. A wise teacher will permit the classroom group to decide all classroom issues, all issues in which they alone are involved, all issues in which all the decisions, right or wrong, will not matter much, or academic issues where pupil choice of the means will lead to more effective attainment of desired ends. Answer is D. 27th. The most basic factor influencing the morale of a classroom as of any group is the group cohesiveness, the similarity of the characteristics of the group, the emotional climate promoted by the teacher, or D, emotional maturity of the members. So answer is D, emotional maturity of the members. 28th. The child reared in autocratic home is more likely to be representing the following trait than the child reared in democratic home: aggressive, conforming, curious, social, mature. So a child reared in autocratic home would be conforming, which means who will abide the law or rules set for him. 29th. A free democratic classroom atmosphere is best for the child with a strong need for guidance, the child from the authoritarian home, the insecure child, D, the majority of the children. So free democratic classroom atmosphere is best for D, majority of the children. 30th. Which of the following is not the characteristics of a good group member? He accepts all ideas advanced by the group as worthy of consideration. He tries to give the group full benefit of his personal experiences. He consistently cedes to less capable members in order to give them feeling of status. He makes his contribution even though he realizes that his contribution may not be accepted. Answer would be A. 31st. Which of the following statement is false? A. The impersonal teacher is least effective with the insecure child. B. Supportive teacher is most concerned with providing children with security. C. The autocratic teacher is more effective with a child from a autocratic home. D. None of the above. Answer would be A. 32nd. As children grow older, the rigidity of qualifications in inclusion for social groupings tend to decrease, to increase in middle and lower class, but not in the upper class groups. D. To remain equally rigid but involved different criteria. Answer is D. 33. Which of the following is likely to be the greatest threat to an emotionally insecure child? A. No discipline at all. B. Severe but inconsistent discipline. So आंसर इसका यही होगा, नो डिसिप्लिन एट ऑल. बाकी के दो ऑप्शंस हम और देख लेते हैं. ऑप्शन सी सेल्फ डिफेंस, डी ओवर इंडल्जेंट डिसिप्लिन. सो आंसर वी हैव सीन बिफोर एंड by mistake option C is self discipline, but answer is A. We have seen no discipline at all. So अब साइकिल ऐसे ही चलेगा. हम अगले वीडियो के अंदर हम ये वाला लीडरशिप का चैप्टर कवर करेंगे, जिसका ये सेकंड पार्ट होगा. इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस पहले कवर कर चुके हैं, और इस चैप्टर के टीचर्स इंटरेस्ट टेस्ट के आगे के कुछ जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो थर्ड पार्ट में आएंगे. सो आप स्टे ट्यून्ड. और तो आपको अगर पसंद आया वो वीडियो तो लाइक करें ताकि हमारा मोटिवेशन बने, और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि आप उनकी भी मदद कर सकें, और लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें. नमस्कार. वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद.